that's it. There's also cool things on the camera where you can, AI will pick out cool little clips for you, for your motovlog ride, or whatever, or for whatever it is, like little tidbits. I guess that's kind of to make shorts or something. And then, the night, I already said night mode. Well, it's not called night mode, it's called something else. You can pause and start in the same clip for a video. I know some people that doesn't sound interesting. But yeah, overall, it has a flip out back screen.